Hello, myself Devyani Suryakant Nikam. I am from third year Electrical of Guru Govind Singh Polytechnic Nasik. Today my project is on Touchless Doorbell. The contents are introduction, material required, connection diagram, image of actual project and the working video. Introduction. Social distancing is one of the best methods to escape from COVID-19. I strongly recommend everyone to stay at home. But we can't avoid some emergency visits to some homes, offices. When we arrived at in front of a house, first we searched the doorbell button. But in this special situation, this doorbell button can cause the virus to spread. When some infected person press the button, the virus hold on that button, and when a non-infected person touches that button, the virus spread to that person also. We can avoid this danger by using the touchless doorbell. This idea can be extended to actual real-time touchless doorbell system. Since the mode of communication is RF, that is radio frequencies, the range is considerably large than other wireless technologies. The project is suitable for homes, shops, garages, hospitals, offices, etc. In this project, we will making the touchless doorbell using very few materials. The list of material we require for this project. First main component is breadboard, then IC LM358, then IR receiver, IR transmitter, resistors such as 10K, 1K and 220 ohms, DC buzzer, battery of 9 volt, connector wires and 10K trimmer. The doorbells are a way for germs and diseases to spray. So using this DIY doorbell will be helpful. It uses an ultrasonic distance sensor and a buzzer. Just put your hand in front of the sensor and you will hear the buzzer from the circuit. This is what we have to make connections on the breadboard. We can see here the DC buzzer, the 3 resistors, IR transmitter, IR receiver, 10K trimmer, and the 2 main components, the 9 volt battery and IC LN358. This circuit operates using a pair of ultrasonic transmitter and receiver modules, which are used to detect the person, and then if the person is detected, the doorbell is automatically turned on when the person is in front of the door. This is the actual model we have made. We can see all the connections as per the circuit diagram. We can see the 9 volt battery, some connecting wires, DC buzzer, IC LN358, IR transmitter, IR receiver, trimmer, and some resistors. Now it's time for testing.
This is my actual model of touchless or wireless doorbell. So we can test it now. This is my actual model of touchless or wireless doorbell. So we can test it now.
Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.